Hi guys, I have one Bullet R1 Roastery. Now we will roast green beans around 600 grams.
The bullet is now ready.
First, this is the actual temperature. And then this one is your preheat. If I want to adjust lower, I make it to 20, my preheat. That's it. And then press this PRS, so it will start
Preheating.
now. Preheating. This is power 7, level 7. Cannot adjust anymore. You can adjust this before or during the operation. Right now in preheating you cannot adjust. We'll wait until my preheating temperature will reach to 20. So let's fast forward the video. Okay guys, now we reach the set preheat temperature. We'll charge now the beans. Now as you can see, power is 0 because he reached already the set point to 20. He will maintain to 20, but for now I will drop the beans. It did not detect, press one more
Roasting
so that
has started.
will charge. Now the power is at level 6, so I want make it higher. So that one 100% power. This one is the fan. You can adjust the fan also. Roasting fan. I make it F4, and then you can adjust also the drum here. Now is the maximum. If I want less, you can see less. See, you can hear also, but we want maximum. This is the actual bean temperature right now, 86. Via the bean probe, you can check also the IBTS temperature. If you press this one, now 73 is the IBTS. Bean 96. So this is the time when you drop the beans. Okay, we will just wait. And this, while roasting, better remove the hopper and then close with this rubber for heat efficiency. Now you can see the beam. Now the beam temperature 123, 124 now. Okay. To check the beans, you can get this and you put like upside down, and then you can see the turn. This one you can control also with laptop application, but for now I don't have the laptop. Here there is a connection here for laptop. Here. Then you can connect your laptop through USB. Here, you can see I will this one. But I don't have my laptop for now. I just remove. Okay, we'll just wait until the beans become yellow. Then we'll check. Guys, now temperature is 200. As you can see the beans, it's getting brown. Now let's wait for the first crack. You can see this one. Now because the temperature is getting hot, if I want it less power, maybe let's maintain it to P6 only, P6 power. And then fan, I will just adjust F6. As you can hear now, it's cracking. First crack. Let's check. Whoa, it's almost done. You see the smoke there. Checking which color you wanted. When you reach the nice color you wanted, then you can drop the machine. See now temperature is 216. So I want to increase more the fan. So you can hear it. The fan gets stronger. And then let's check. Now this, I think this nice color now. Now it's finished. So I want it to drop it now. Press also the PRS and then
Roasting finished.
okay,
Now
then here. There is pan inside. I will just mix it with spoon so it will cool down. Color is like chocolate. I can open this one so that it will cool down fast. Now cold. It's okay. Now if I want again to roast, this one is shut down. But if I want again to continue from roasting, press 2 times again, and then you have again the preheating. Now it's not heating because power is 0%. You will maintain the 220 that we set. Right now the fan is working so that it will decrease the preheating set point. That's it. Then if you want to continue, press this one again. It charge.
roasting has started.
And that one started again.
Roasting
Cooling.
finished. Now cooling.
Same. Shut down. Because I don't have any more beans to roast. So that's it. Easy to use. Easy to use, guys. Okay, guys. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section. Bye bye.